In infant formula manufacturing, complexity can quietly increase risk. There's a belief that more controls mean more safety, more logs, more signatures, more monitoring. But here's the rule. If you write it into your quality system, it must be executed 100% of the time, not 99%. Every single time. Every extra requirement increases the chance of non-compliance. And when operators are overloaded with non-critical tasks, attention shifts away from what truly protects infants: critical control points, hygiene barriers, environmental monitoring. Administrative noise creates blind spots. Robust systems aren't the most detailed. They're risk-based, focused, and flawlessly executed. In infant formula, simplicity is discipline. Contact Watson Dairy Consulting. www.dairyconsultant.co.uk